Watch as the beautiful nature makes its surroundings one of it. If you listen very closely, you can probably hear. What's that? Oh God! What was that? There's something very strange going on over there. Oh God. Oh God. Watch as I am held captive by whatever that thing is.
Hello, shotgun.
Watch as Evan, whatever this creature is, I think he's a front pack descendant.
I like watering grass.
Oh yeah, from the last snake. What is that? It's a pig. Oh God, it's a pig. It's
Where?
a pig. It's over there. It's over there. I'm not even kidding. It's right there. Do you not see it? Oh my God, you're blind. See what I mean by gullible, Evan? See what I mean? You're very good. Maybe I shouldn't.
You should put a picture of a pig there.
Maybe I shouldn't have said that because it zoomed in.
Who wants the amazing, cool-looking guns and 2 lightsabers?
Watch as the creatures.
You can have this. Look.
Watch as the creatures fight over.
Did you know these are
and that guy stalks us from the shadows.
They're awesome. You can use that. No, don't. All right. You need to use that. This will be.
How would I hold my weapon? It also works as a brace.
He has been taken.
No.
He has given me a weapon. It's a weapon I will use.
You know how? Do you know how to work?
Okay, I need.
Oh no, that one doesn't have batteries. That's why it's so light. Hands up! Alright, everybody, this is their like weapons and equipment stash right here. So you guys can like stash all your weapons in there. Alright guys, come in. Alright, no, Kenny, get it. Kenny, go get a gun. Alright, I'm gonna go take the garden.
Watch as the creatures try as hard as they can.
Hey, man. I just shot you in the head.
Come in peace.
Bing, 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 bing,
You
bing,
think you could take on a light strike gun?
I just shot you in the head! Right? Bing, 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 bing. What?
These creatures are clearly one of the smarter creatures to exist.
Come on, come on, come on!
Ammo empty. You know how the gun's on for.
You have a garden to survive the nuclear
Good
war.
Alright, alright, let's be friends.
There is clearly.
We're gonna act like we're gonna scavenge this place and then we're gonna find you.
Thanks for hitting my phone.
Alright, let's go. Like all stages. Hey, a place to scavenge.
Watch as these creatures go in and out of their home. They may not be the strongest. What? I think this is some kind of ritual performed many times. Now. As human goes down, we all wonder, what is nature really? Oh God. As I go to these woods, I wonder the same thing. What is happening? Didn't know